It's great to have you here again. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Samuel Owusu, and in this particular video, I'm going to take you through how to design a very beautiful beggar flyer. A very beautiful beggar flyer. Alright, so let's open the pixelab. Before that, please use just a few seconds to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then turn on the notification bell. Then like, comment, if possible, share to your friends to also enjoy this particular awesome video. This is the design we are going to design, this special this beautiful beggar flyer. It's very beautiful. Look attentively, you could see that everything is on point. So this is the flyer we are going to design. Yeah, so let's go straight to our pixelab app. Right, so this is the home page. Let's delete this particular text. Let's delete it. Come here to choose our background. All right, so we are going to use gradient colors for our background. We are going to use red and orange and yellow gradient colors for our background. Right, so let's tap here. This is the color though, but I want to teach you how I did it. So let's choose any. Let's tap here. Right, when you select gradient, come here, then tap here. Tap on this thing here, image here. Right, the second one, then tap here. Let's tap here first to choose a red color. If you tap here, then tap on the color image here to choose a red color. You see a pointer here. This is a pointer. You move it to the red side. You move the pointer to the red side like this. Then the second slider, move this pointer, the dot here, to the end here like this. So we got our first color, that's the red. We tap on OK. So let's come here, come to plus. We want three colors, so we are going to add another color. So tap on the plus. That's how you can get gradients. So when you tap on this is the new color that you have gotten, so we are going to use it to get it orange. So tap on it like this, then tap on the color here to get orange. Move it here, move it to the orange part. You see this somehow orange, so move it, this sliders to the end like this. Tap on OK. So we got orange here. Then let's make this yellow. Okay, all right, so tap on it, the first one, then make it yellow. Come to yellow, move it here to the yellow part. You see, yeah, to the yellow part. If you can't do it, you can copy the codes here. Yeah, so move it to the yellow, right, something like this. So we got yellow like this, then we tap on OK. So we have gotten our background. These are the three color gradients, so we are going to use that as a background. So now let's tap on OK. We get our background just like this, right? Okay, let's tap on the check mark here. Now we are going to import. Come to the middle tool here. We are going to import some images. We are going to work on the background for now. We are going to work on that. We want some smoke and some fire effect background. Yeah, so we come to our import. I have some images here that I'm going to use to work on the background. So I have this particular image here, this particular one. I'll just tap on it. Right, so I'll choose this square size, the 1 by 1 size, then tap on the check mark like this. I'll spread it over the entire space as you are seeing it. Come to the relative position, then position in the center like this. Let's come to opacity, then reduce the opacity to somewhere 33, 35. Let's do it 35, then tap on the check mark. Now come here, lock it so that it will not distract us. So now let's go to our gallery again. So come to import, then select this particular wooden board. So we choose this wooden board here, then we crop it like this, then tap on the check mark. We have our board here. That's where we place the beggar on. So we increase the size like this to cover here, down here. Let's compress it a bit. Just tap here to compress it like this. All right, so we have something like this. Okay, so let's compress it again. All right, so we have something like this. Let's lock it. Come here, lock it up on the padlock. Then let's come to our import again. let's come to our import. All right, so I'm going to choose this fire image here. I'm going to choose this fire image. I'll give all these resources to you, so I'll tap on the check mark here, bring it somewhere here, check mark here, then I'll spread it to the entire working space like this. Yeah, I hope you are following. So let me come here, bring it to the center. Then now I'm going to opacity to reduce the opacity of it to somewhere 33 is okay. 33 is okay. 33 is okay. So let's lock it. Let's lock it. Now let's come to our import again. Now we are importing all the images we are using for now. Then you come tap on this beggar image here. Now reduce the size a bit, then place it here. Okay, just place it here, reduce the size a bit. Okay, let's okay, okay, so the image size is okay. Now let's position it in the center. Right now, follow attentively. I'm going to show you how to do let's lock this image. Then I'm going to show you how to get a shadow for your image. You have to give it a shadow. So come to your shapes. When you come here, tap on this arrow here, then come to circle. When you choose the circle shape, just come to you get to here, come to opacity, reduce the opacity to 0, then come to uh, come to stroke weight, increase the stroke weight to 34 to full 34, then blur radius, you increase it again, you increase the blur radius, then you tap here to make it flat, compress it to make it something like this. That's how to get the shadow. I getting it? Yeah, so tap on the check mark here. That's how to get shadow for your images. Now reduce it here, place it under here to make it look rare. Okay, make it flat, down flat. All right, so we come to opacity, reduce the opacity of it to 45, somewhere 45. No, 45 is not showing, so reduce the opacity to 87. Okay, okay, I think I have to increase the opacity a bit to let's make it 90. Okay, let's make it look rare, more realistic. All right, so this cool. So now let's lock the shadow effect also. Then let's come to our test. It's left with our test. Let's come to the A portion, the A tool, then tap on edit. Let's write beggar. You tap on okay. So come to font, give it if you have Montserrat, give it Montserrat bold or Montserrat black italic. You choose that one, increase the size here. So you increase the size. Let me check the size. So 113 is okay. Rotate it a bit, tap here to rotate it, place it here. All right, so okay, so position it in the center, bring it to the top a bit. Okay, okay, the size, let's reduce it a bit. Okay, so okay, so let's place it like this, then change the color. We are going to use the color we used for the background for this particular test. So this is the color we used, so choose that color, the one we used for the background, choose it for the test. It gets a background like color like this, then copy it, then edit it. When you edit it, no, don't edit it. When you copy it, just come to color and then give it um a transparent color, right? You see that there's no color showing. Then come to stroke, then give it stroke weight of 2, stroke weight of 2 like this. Then change the stroke color to white, right, like this. Then position it here, position it on it like this. Let's use the position tool to place it well. You take your time when working on it, place it well like this, something like this. Okay, position it well like this. Yeah, so now we come to okay, so we come to our test again. We write delicious, delicious burger. So you write like this, then you place it here. You can use any italic font. Come to font, you can use any italic font, but the font I used recently is Classy Beauty, Classy Beautiful. Yeah, so you tap on it, then you increase the size, rotate it like the, let it be the same angle as the burger, you see, then position it here. Okay, so come to size, let's give it, increase the size a bit, so 61 is okay, then position it here, right? So change the color of it to yellow, the yellow we used, the yellow we used. Yeah, you can pick the yellow from the background or the text, you know. Where is it? Okay, so let me select it, come to color. Okay, choose this yellow for it. Now you position it here. All right, so now let's come to our image. Let's come to our image again, come to import, right? Let's import this particular image here, tap okay, then reduce the size, increase the size, sorry. Okay, you increase the size like this to the extent that this arrow will come to the down and this one will be here, just like this. Okay, so you lock it, you lock it. Before that, let's bring some shape. I forgot about it. Come to shape, let's make it in the form of rectangle. We are going to use it to fade it, the design. So you come to gradient, you come to gradient. So when you come to gradient, you come to the plus sign. This is the shape, the color I'm going to use, but let me show you. Come to gradient, come to plus. When you come to plus, tap here, then choose the color of black for it. When you choose black, then tap here too and choose transparent. Move the tail slider to the other end like this. So we bring this one here, so we get black here, you see. Yeah, we got black here. So this is it. You tap on check mark, bring it back. I forgot, I should, it will be back to somewhere here, you see. Yeah, bring it back, move it here. Now come here. Okay, come to down. Okay, take your time. So we have something like this. Let's lock it. Where is it? Let's lock it. All right, so now we have something like this. Write let's write order now. Come to test, write order now in capitals. Order now. Reduce the size, come to font, choose Montserrat bold for it. All right, come to background, choose this gradient background for it, this one. So this is it. I believe for now you guys know how to choose, make gradient backgrounds. So red at the bottom and the yellow at the top, you get it. So now let's, where is the background? Let's increase the padding, the left padding to 3, right padding to 3, radius to 7. Then let's change the color of the text itself. Let's change it to black. I hope you are following. You have to take your time. I don't want the tutorial to be lengthy, that's why I'm rushing a bit. So follow me, then practice as it is. All right, so that's it. Order now. So let's copy it, copy, then let's edit it. For now, let's write the number let's write the number of the business, any random number, 00, 50, 78, 90, 34, any random number. Yeah, move it here, to make sure it is aligned with this text. Okay, bring it down. All right, so now we are almost done. Let's come to our image, come to the middle, come to come to import. Then let's import some, yeah, these leaves to spice the design up. Yeah, we are almost done, so we want to spice it up. So reduce the size a bit, position it here. Now bring it, follow attentively here. Bring, tap here, the dots here, bring it and place it in between the beggars, the first beggar and the second beggar, in between here. So we move it like this here, so that we get something like this. You see, let's reduce the size, position it to where, okay, position it well, so we get something like this, as you can see. Yeah, so let's copy it again. Let's copy the same thing, increase the size, place it here, place it here. Let's bring it down. Here's it. Let's bring it to the back of it, something like this. I don't know why it is blur like that. It should not be blur. Let me delete it. It's blur. So let's come, let me choose it again. All right, so reduce the size, then bring it here. Okay, so let's bring it back. All right, we are almost done. Let's write the name of the kitchen, or the restaurants. So the name, let's bring this as their logo. So we tap on it. Let's reduce the size of it. I'll give all the resources to you so that you guys can practice. So let's reduce the size a bit again. Okay, so now let's write something, their name, any random name. So I'll write special kitchen, special kitchen, in the form of this. Then reduce the size. Let me use Montserrat bold for it as my font for this particular test. Come to recent, Montserrat bold. If you have any Gothic font or sans serif font, you can use it. So guys, we are almost done. Let's reduce the size. This tutorial has taken a lot of time, but it's worth it. So I want you guys to watch attentively, then practice. So this is how we do it. We have our design beautiful like this. Okay, I forget to bring my tomato image to spice the design up. So this is my tomato. Let me crop this part out, then bring it here. You see, bring it here to spice it up. Right, so guys, we are done. This is how we do it. Then you tap here to save your work. Right, so tap save as image, then you choose ultra, then you save to your gallery. Thank you for following. If you found this particular tutorial or this particular video to be helpful, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the the notification bell to get more notification anytime I upload awesome and great content like this. All right, thank you for following.